Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Techer. In this video, I'll be doing the 120 FPS gaming test by testing this game which is called the Dead Trigger 2. As you can see friends, so right now in this video, I'll test this game. Let's see friends whether the game actually supports the 120 FPS in the Mi 10i or the Redmi Note 9 Pro or 5G device. So which has a Snapdragon 750G processor. The phone has a very good 120 Hz refresh rate, IPS LCD panel display, but the processor is also very powerful to support most of the games which actually they does play with the 120 Hz refresh rate in this smartphone. So recently I did a few of the games which are supported with the 120 Hz refresh rate on this phone, so make sure to check that video in case if you want to download those games and try in your smartphone. So I did a video on that one. Make sure to check the links in description for more interesting videos on each and every smartphone. I already uploaded so many videos, as you can see friends, so make sure to subscribe regularly and check the videos regularly as well, so you'll know exactly all the things about this device. So let me quickly open this Dead Trigger 2 game. And in case if you want to know how to add this real-time FPS meter, so this is a built-in FPS meter is available. So right now I did enable the 120 FPS from the settings. So if you want this built-in FPS meter, so make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of Redmi Note 9 Pro 5G. You can find that phone playlist, so links will be available in the description below. So right now I'm playing this Dead Trigger 2, as you can see friends.
Alright, let's roll.
So let me quickly start playing the game and show you the gameplay for the first couple of minutes. So let me try start playing the game, so you can focus on the FPS count meter. So meanwhile, and I'm trying to play. So right now I was able to get the 120 FPS easily without any problem. As you can clearly see the 120 FPS on the top. So for some time you can see the game, how I am playing and how it's going, the animations and everything. So everything looks so for the good, so no issues.
I have a bad feeling about this.
So even there is an option to see the real-time FPS meter on the top, but I'll be using this kind of tool only to see the real-time FPS meter. You can see the CPU and the GPU utilization, how much it is as well. So let me show you again CPU and GPU utilization.
Let's do this.
So overall, it feels really very smooth while playing this game. So much smoother than before. As you can see friends, it looks so good.
Great. Alright, let's roll.
The phone has got dual speaker setup, so one in the bottom and on the top, so which looks fantastic while playing this kind of games with a high volume.
Get ready for some trouble.
Come on.
All right, let's go. Couldn't make it this far without you.
As you can see friends, throughout the game the real-time FPS meter remained exactly at 120 FPS without any issues, so no decrease in the frame rates as well while playing the game Dead Trigger 2, which is really good while playing this kind of graphical game with a high FPS meter.
Watch out! Okay, let's take it to the right.
As you can see, friends, the real-time FPS is around 120 FPS. Perfect. So overall, the Dead Trigger 2 is successfully playing at 120 FPS without any issues, friends. So straight away the game starts playing at 120 FPS. Even I did not change any settings while before this kind of testing. So I was using the exact straight settings what it came out of the installing. So this is a quick Dead Trigger 2 test in this smartphone. So overall, it feels very good while playing the game. So no issues with the 120 FPS as well. And make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for updates on the smartphone and more future support thing as well. And see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.